Hello, students. It's Samantha, and today in science, we are going to review the planets in our solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system, shown here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All of these planets orbit around the sun. It's important to remember that the sun is a star. It is not a planet. Okay? Remember, the sun is a star. So let's review the names of the planets in our solar system, starting with the planet closest to the sun. Are you ready? Great, me too. The first planet is Mercury. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. Mercury. The second planet in our solar system is Venus. Venus. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. Venus. The third planet in our solar system is Earth. Earth. Earth is our home. We all live on Earth. It is sometimes called the blue planet because of all the water that covers it. Earth. The fourth planet in our solar system is Mars. Mars. Mars is sometimes called the red planet because of its red appearance, as you can see here. Mars. The fifth planet in our solar system is Jupiter. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter. The sixth planet in our solar system is Saturn. Saturn. Saturn is sometimes called the ringed planet because it has rings that go around the planet. Saturn. The seventh planet in our solar system is called Uranus. Uranus. Uranus is the coldest planet in our solar system. Uranus. And the eighth planet in our solar system is Neptune. Neptune. Neptune is the furthest planet from the sun. Neptune. Now here is your challenge. Can you name all of the planets in our solar system, beginning with the planet closest to the sun? Let's find out. All right, so over here we have the sun. Now, can you tell me what this first planet is? That's right, it's Mercury. Mercury is the first planet. The second planet is Venus. Venus. Great job. And how about this third planet? It looks familiar, right? It should, because it's Earth. The third planet is Earth. How about this planet? Do you remember what it's called? Mars. Mars. Very good. The fourth planet is Mars. Now, what about this planet? It's so big. The biggest planet in our solar system is called Jupiter. Great job. The fifth planet in our solar system is Jupiter. Next, we have a planet with rings around it. Do you remember what this planet is called? That's right. It's called Saturn. Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet in our solar system. Let's see, how about this one? Do you remember what this planet is called? Uranus. Uranus, remember, is the coldest planet in our solar system. And last but not least, what is this planet called? It's the planet farthest from the sun, and it's called Neptune. Great. So let's quickly review in order, starting with Mercury and ending with Neptune. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Great job, everyone. For homework, I would like you to practice pronouncing the different names of the planets in our solar system. Then, I would like you to send me a video of you naming the planets in our solar system in the order starting from the planet closest to the sun and ending with the planet farthest from the sun. Last, I would like you to tell me which planet besides Earth that you would like to visit. Okay? So again, practice saying the names of the planets, then make a video of you saying the names of the planets in the correct order. And last, tell me which planet you would like to travel to. I can't wait to see you guys soon. Bye.